Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Mini Cooper jack kit. First, always prioritize safety. Ensure your Mini is on a flat, stable surface, and the parking brake is fully engaged. Place wheel chocks on the wheels diagonally opposite the one you intend to lift. This crucial step prevents any unexpected movement, keeping you safe throughout the process. Before lifting, gather your jack, the handle, and your owner's manual for specific jack point locations. Make sure the jack is fully lowered before you position it. Carefully slide the jack under the vehicle, aligning its head precisely with the reinforced jack point. Double-check that the jack is sitting flat and stable on the ground, ready for the lift. Now, begin to slowly raise the jack using the provided handle. Take your time and observe the vehicle carefully for any signs of instability as it lifts. Only raise the car high enough to comfortably remove the wheel you are working on. Remember, for your safety, never place any part of your body under a vehicle supported solely by a jack. Once your task is complete, carefully lower the vehicle by slowly turning the jack's release valve. Ensure the wheel is properly seated on the hub before the car fully descends. Once the car is on the ground, remove the jack and the wheel chocks. Finally, store your entire jack kit securely in its designated spot in your Mini Cooper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.